Good morning, everyone. The last week we completed the question answer and new words of the chapter My Elder Brother. So I hope you completed all the question answer and new words. And after that we completed one creative writing. So I hope you all are completed that one. Then page number 73. So we want to write a letter to your friend or relative in another city, telling him or her about activities, events in your school. So follow the same pattern as the above letter. So that we want to write. So you have to follow the same pattern of the above letter. So first one, we want to write writer's address, then date, then greeting, then first paragraph with introduction, then body of the letter, and last paragraph come ending. Then at last closing of the letter. So you have to try to write down one letter to your friend or relative to another city about your activities, event in the school, etc. So today I am giving one example. So you can look this or otherwise you can copy. If you didn't get another one, you can copy this. So I am here writer's address, that is house number 304, Shubham Enclave, Lakshmi Agar, New Delhi. Then date 10th December 2014. Then greeting. Hi Roma. Here telling a friend. So there is a letter. It has been 3 months now since shifted to Kerala. I am very excited to tell you about the recent events in my school. It has been long time since updated. So you can write down like this. So first paragraph with introduction, second paragraph the body why you are writing this letter, and the last paragraph ending of the letter, and last one closing. Okay, I hope you understood. So try to write yourself. If you didn't get the answer, you can copy this one. So write down in the textbook itself. Okay, then next one, page number 74. Question number 1. Read the following passage and answer the question that follows. The story was, and I'm reading the story. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. He was pale and thin, as were the other boys living there. This was because they had to work hard but were never given enough eat. The owner of the orphanage, Mr. Bumble, was a cruel man and he ill-treated the boys. So, Oliver was a 9-year boy. He was lived in a orphanage. Do you know what is orphanage? Yes, people, they have no parents. Boys or girls, they have no parents. They are living in a one home that's called orphanage. So he was pale and thin where the other boys living there. Because why he was thin and pale? Because he didn't get enough food. He worked hard but didn't get enough food. So who was the owner of the orphanage? Mr. Bumble. He was very cruel man. He ill-treated. He was very cruel towards the boys. So boys were always hungry. It was true that they were given the 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only of a bowl of watery soup. They were almost starving, so it was decided by them to ask the master for more soup. But who would bell the cat? Finally, the task fell to Oliver. So the boys were hungry because they every day the orphanage authorities were given 3 meals, 3 times of meals, but each meal consists only a bowl of watery soup. They'll like kanji, like they will get 3 times of meal, but the it is not it is not enough for the boys. So they decided to ask some more soup. So who will ask? Finally, the task fell on Oliver. When all the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for their evening meal, the soup was served. It was soon disappeared. Soon disappeared means they finished within a second. The boys whispered one another, and one boy pushed Oliver a little. So they all are whispered. Whispered means talking without sound, murmuring. and making a brave effort, Oliver stood up, walked up to the master with his bowl and spoon in his hand. He said tremblingly, "Please, sir, I want some more." So, we don't know what happened next. So, he asked some more soup, but we don't know what happened next. So, remaining some of them are question and answer. Why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Who was Mr. Bumble? What meal were the boys given? What did Oliver say, Mr. Bumble? The boys were given 3 meals a day, and then why they were always hungry. So, these are the question, and you have to find out the answers. Okay, you have to find out the answers for this question and write down in your notebook itself. So only 5 questions. Why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Because he had no home, or he had no parents. Who was Mr. Bumble? He was the owner of the orphanage. What meals were the boys given? They were given a bowl of watery soup. What did Oliver say, Mr. Bumble? Oliver said to Mr. Bumble that he wants some more soup. And the 5th question, the boys were given 3 meals a day, then why they were always hungry? So, because the soup they were given was never enough. So these are the answer. You have to write these answers into your notebook itself. Okay, then find the words from the passage that means the same. So first one, very hungry. Paragraph number 2, very hungry. So the answer is starving. Then to vanish. Paragraph number 3, disappeared. To vanish means disappeared. Okay. All the boys assembled in the cold stone hall. Here the word assembled means collected. The answer is collected. From the word assembled, remove the last 2 letters. Add 1 letter to make a word which means a time at the school when the whole school gathered. What was the word? So one word is missed. So you can add 1 word and you will get another word. The school when at the time of school when the whole school gathered. So the word is assembly. Okay. So you will get the all answers here and try to find out yourself. Question number 9. Give a suitable title to the passage. Oliver in orphanage or orphanage leader. Anything you can give. Okay. Then page number 75. To learn means understand or to gain knowledge. To teach means to show or how or to explain. Complete the following sentence. Use the collect from, teach or learn. So question number 1. Will you dash me chess? So options are here. Learn, learns, learned, has learned. Teach, teaches, taught, has taught. Number 2. Mr. Sharma dash class 8th. The students have dash about road safety. My sister asked me how to ride a horse. I have dash some of the customs of India. I dash how to cycle when I was just 4 years old. So, answer is first one, will you teach me chess? Second one, Mr. Sharma teaches class 8. Next one, the students have learned about road safety. Then my sister has taught me how to ride a horse. Then I have learned some of the custom of India. Then last one, I learned how to cycle when I was just 4 years old. Next one, choose the correct word and complete the paragraph. That is all you have to write with the past tense. So you can use simple past tense. So here I am explaining the answers. All the class 5th students of our school dash gathered in front of the principal's office. So you have to write with the simple past tense. So here is the past tense is were. Next one, they dash going to for the inter-school race. So they were. The bus dashed arrived and they left for the stadium. The runners were taken to the starting point. The runners took their position. Sir blew the whistle. One student of our school ran fast and come first. Everyone did their best and our school won the trophy. Everyone felt joyous. So you have to write this one by using simple past tense. Okay. Then question number 3. Read the following sentences. So here we want to discuss about the usage of since and for. Since we are using the time in the past till to present, but at the same time for we are using for a period of the time. Okay, for we are using for the period of the time, and since we are using the time in the past till present, starting from the past and continuing and till present. Okay, so first one, fill in the blanks using for or since. I have lived in this house dash I was baby. So here is a sentence. I have lived in this house dash I was a baby. When I was baby, I am starting to live in this house. Still I am going on, or still I am living here. So that action was started in the past and continuing, and now present it was continuing. So the word is, answer is since. Next one, this big jar has been in our family many years. So many years means for the period of the time. When I am telling and the period of the time, it was the big jar has been our family many years. So the answer is 4. And the next one, the old banyan tree in the village has been there dash the last 200 years. So answer is 4. Nobody has seen him dash yesterday. So nobody has seen him. Answer is since. So these are the textual activities of the my elder brother. So you have to write in your textbook, and if you have any confusion, you can ask to me. So make sure that complete this one and show to me. Okay, thank you.